Over the last month and a half ago, I've managed to generate over 15,000 US dollars selling products that I never thought in my wildest dream that people would actually buy. And this is simple crazy. Guys, if you're still struggling to make money online, I strongly want to recommend that you try TikTok Shop. Because in today's video, I'm going to expose one of the secret websites that I've been using over the last month and a half ago to make money online every single day. You see guys, I don't know if you've ever heard my story, if you ever come across my channel, but I'm just a regular guy who have been struggling over the last couple of years to figure out a way how to make money online. Because the job that I was currently working simply wasn't paying me enough. And selling products online was one of the first things that I was able to do to make money online, along with affiliate marketing. And this website that I'm about to share with you is a website that I've recently discovered that is literally a game changer. And I'm really thinking about it. Should I really share that with you? Of course, I'm gonna do so because that's the purpose of this channel. Whenever I come across tools and products like this that literally help me to make money, I want to share them with you so that you too can learn how to make money online. So if you're struggling in your day-to-day life to make money online, or you're currently working a 9-to-5 job and looking for a way how to make some money on the side, then you want to stick around and watch the entire video, because this secret website that I'm about to unfold, you want to use this to your advantage because it's beginner friendly and you can use it right now, starting today, to start make money online. So let's jump over to my screen so that I can show you what this tool is all about. Let's go. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm at ppaads.com. And I'm gonna go ahead and log into my account. But before I log into my account and show you all of the good stuff, let me just show you what is on the website here. So it's a TikTok ad spy tool. Discover competitors' ads and the best viral TikTok products. And this is one of the platforms that I've been using to find and located winning products that are converting like hot bread. Let's put it like that, right? So if you scroll down here, you can find quite a lot of information here regarding the product as well, and you can find a lot of information here about the tool, right? So winning products, TikTok ad products, TikTok trending products, and so much more, right? So let's go into the website. So I'm gonna go ahead and log into the website here so that you can see all the good stuff. So as you enter the website here guys, you have at the top here, you have the TikTok ad search, you have the search products, advertisers section, you have the TikTok shop section where you can see TikTok shop products, TikTok shop store, you have tools, you have collections, you have the pricing, which we'll touch in a bit later, right? But let's start by using the TikTok search, right? So here you can add keywords here so that you can use the search. You have categories such as all, e-commerce, games, apps, dropship, brand, and TikTok ads. And this is the one that I've been using, the TikTok ads, to help me locate winning products. Now under the basic, you can click on country/regions, and I'm utilizing the one for United States, right? So this is what I'm doing because it converts really well. So I'm selecting United States here, right? You can leave the CTA button. You don't have to click anything here for right now. And you can also leave the e-com platform. You don't have to touch anything here, and also landing page, you don't have to touch that. Only if you want to go in depth, you can basically come here and you can play with a few more settings, but you don't really need to do much more when it comes to the basic settings there. Now, the thing that you want to utilize is the period of time. So for the period of time, I realize that the sweet spot is either 15 or 30 days. I like to give myself about 30 days. So I'm always selecting the 30 days right there. And from here, you can go ahead and you can also play around with the popularity. I like to check the popularity to see what is working well right now. If you'd like to see the latest product, you can simply leave it as last seen, because as you can see here, you can see quite a lot of products that were posted today, and you can see some impressions, but you will not see those ones that are getting quite a lot of sales. So if you're looking for those new products today, it's not very often that you see something post today immediately and just start to sell like crazy like that. So I always like to put it like on the popularity to see the ones that are getting quite a lot of impressions, right? So as you can see here, these are some of the products that are literally getting quite a lot of impressions and people making quite a lot of money. So two ways you can find winning products here. You can check for the ones that are posted recently. You might not find quite a lot of them, but if you scroll down, you will find some with really nice impressions. So as you can see, for example, this one was posted. So you want to look for the ones that were recently published with quite a lot of impressions. So for example, this one with 85,000 impressions, this might be a good one to check because it just posted between the 1st of May. So this might be an opportunity that you want to check, and you can continue to go through the pages to see if you find, and continue to go through the pages to see if you might be lucky to find something that is converting really well. But I find the sweet spot to basically switch this to popularity, right? And within popularity, all you have to do is look for something that was recently posted. So like for example, this one was posted since 11th of May and this one was posted since the 10th of May. These are two really nice ones. So you can simply click on both of these and see what they're all about. Now I'm gonna go ahead and click on this one here that was posted from 11th of May so that you can see it. And this is the video, it is showing you the ads, so you can see the ads that are actually converted like crazy. And can you believe this is actually converted? That's what I'm telling you guys. You will see some videos and you don't even know that these videos are converting and people are making so much money. Now have a look at this. If you look on the right hand side here guys, you have quite a lot of information here. You can go to the shop to see the ads itself. You can see the impressions. You can see that it was posted within just 7 days, just about 7 days, over 13% like rate. You have the amount of money that people spend on costs. Yes, this is quite a lot, but as you can see the conversion rate, as you can see the amount of money the product costs, and you can see as well that they sold over 65,000 products that they have sold. Now I am no mathematician, so 65,100 times 59. Let me check my calculator. My God, over $3.8 million they made selling this. Can you imagine? So if they spend this much amount of money, I'm not saying that you should go ahead and spend over $50,000 or even $12,000 in ad revenue, but you can see that it is so much worth it. So if you want to jump on this trend and start selling these products, you can be sure that this will definitely convert. So you can also click here, you can go to details as well, and you can click download and you can see quite a lot. So you get the point which I'm showing to you, that you can easily come here and find winning product, right? So you don't even have to use the latest product. You can even narrow down your search. So let's say I don't want to have it for 30 days. I can try it for the last 7 days, guys, and I can leave it on popularity. And as you can see, look at this, over the last 7 days from the 15th, this product here, right here, with over 4.6 million impression. Now if you click on this product here guys, with over 4.6 million impression, you can see if it is literally selling. And as you can see here, look how much money they spent and look how much product they convert. Not much. So you want to keep a close eye on this area that says how much product they're selling. Now if let's check the second product here, and as you can see, this product converts over 158,000 times, guys, and it sells for $35. Let's click on it so we can see more. And this is the product, so you can see that they are literally making crazy amount of money from this product. Over 158,000 times this product has been sold. So they are literally crushing it and making tons of money from this product. So this is the website that I'm literally using, guys, to find winning products, PP ads. I'm using this website to come here and find winning products so that I can make TikTok ads and start making money. Now, as you can see these videos, I wouldn't recommend that you use the same videos. So guys, if you'd like to learn how to make killer advertisement videos or ads just like this one, I recommend that you use the second secret website that I'm using to run ads so that I can make money. And the website is Viralcom Ads. So if you'd like to learn how I utilize this, if you'd like to learn more about this website and how you can go about using it, check out this video here, as it also shows you another website that I'm using, and it also goes to how you can use Viralcom Ads to get those videos so that you can run as ads. Right now, let me continue with the website. So as I mentioned it as product searcher, you can come here and you can search for products, and you can also go through the same thing so that you can find those amazing products. You can filter them by Spotify, WooCommerce, Wix, Shopline, and so much more. So you can come here and you can filter products and find some really winning products right here. You have the advertisement section that you can come here, you can find winning products as well, new products, top shops. You also have the section for TikTok shop that shows you the TikTok products, the TikTok shops. You have quite a lot of tools here that you can utilize. On the right hand side, you can also use PP Spy, you can use Etsy Shop if you're interested in ads library. And if you're interested in any one of these, you can check out these websites. You can find my affiliate links within the description of this video that will give you 30% discount when you register with my link, or you can simply use Real Money Wisdom if you so desire. After trying those trial version, if you like to purchase it, you'll get 30% discount by using Real Money Wisdom if you like to register with any one of these tools. So let's continue. Now, there's also the collection section that you can come here and you can see various collections. Now, let's talk about pricing, guys. Now, as you can see here, you can get a starter package right here for $77 per month, right? And if you'd like to pay for the year, you save 30% here and you pay $54 per month. But not only that, you can get an additional 20% discount. That would take it up to 50% discount if you purchase this for the year by using my affiliate link within the description of this video or simply using Real Money Wisdom. You will also get the 20% discount as well if you pay by monthly. So you can use the affiliate code here for Real Money Wisdom and you can get the discount here by simply at your checkout when you go for any one of these plans, right? So you can get it for the starter plan, the VIP plan, and also for the pro plan. Just simply go ahead, start your trial version if you feel like this is something that is converting, and I'm sure that you will find this useful. I've been using it over the last month and a half and managed to convert over 15,000 US dollars. So paying a few extra money upfront to get this amazing platform, even though I give you a small spy into the platform, I'm telling you, this is simply worth it. And there you have it, guys, Pipit Ads. I've been using this over the last couple of months to crush and to make some crazy money on TikTok. So if you're struggling to make money online, you want to jump on this opportunity and utilize this platform to find killer products that are converting like crazy. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, check the links in my description, head over to Pipit Ads and register and start sourcing and find some killer products so that you can start making money online today. And as I said, you want to go ahead and try to get your own unique video created. You can check out the website, as I mentioned before, to get your own video created, or if you're a creative person, you can also go ahead and create your own video so that you can start running advertisement to these products. And I guarantee you that you will definitely convert and start making some money. You might go to your bed tonight and wake up tomorrow and realize you have $500 or even $1,000 into your bank account. And I'm sure this would be mind-blowing for you, right? So take my advice, go ahead and start utilizing this strategy. And I wish you all the best that you will start making money going forward in your life. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button and I look forward to see you in the next video. Have a nice day.